Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to mirror Discord messages live from any server to your own server using my tool. I'll start by activating message forwarding from this channel and sending everything over to my destination channel. First, I open the terminal, navigate to the bot folder directory, and run the command nodeserver.js. As soon as the bot starts, you'll see the dashboard link displayed here. It says dashboard running at http://localhost:3000. I'll copy that link, paste it into the browser, and open the dashboard interface. Next, I switch back to Discord to get the account token. I open Discord settings, enable developer mode, then go to the network tab. Now I type something in the Discord channel to trigger the typing event. After clicking on the typing entry, I scroll down until I find the authorization token. I copy the token, paste it into the dashboard in the token field, and then save it. Next, I need to set up the source and destination channels. I copy the channel ID from the server that I want to mirror messages from and paste it into the mapping field. Then I go to my destination channel, open channel settings, go to integrations, select webhooks, and copy the webhook URL. After that, I paste it into the webhook field. You can also use filters to replace words. Like here, you'll see the word sell being automatically changed to buy, and you can also blacklist specific words and blacklist links if you want to block certain content from being mirrored. Everything is now connected, so I click Start Bot. You'll see right away, all messages coming from the source channel are now being mirrored in real time directly into my Discord channel. And that's it. Super easy. This tool lets you mirror messages instantly from any server into your own server with zero coding required. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the tool.